Hello, I'm Kim Rooster Rossiter, and on Marathon Training Day, this Spotlight Saturday, episode 179. I really don't know how to put it into any other word other than what you're watching right now. The joy, the smiles, it tells the story for itself.
Hey everyone, this is Michelle from the Mid-Atlantic region. We are coming to you bright and early from Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina. And we just wanted to let you guys get a little behind the scenes look. We always see videos of race day, but there's a lot that goes into race day, like this morning. So I'm here with a bunch of angels that are representing multiple ambassadorships in North Carolina. I'm gonna go to them and they're gonna tell me about what they're doing. What are you guys doing, everybody?
We are training for MCM in Ragnar, and we have Team Connor here for Ragnar, and we have angels from all over North Carolina participating.
All right, Connor, what do you think? So you're going to do a Ragnar soon? See, I told you, it's early.
But he's got his Batman towel and he's ready to go.
That's right.
Been up what will be their 10-miler. What's up, man? What's going on? You want to tell us any stories about anything, or we're already done with that?
We're done with stories for today.
Next time, friends, tune in for Story Time 99.5. Hey, Hunter, you finished it. How's it feel to be done with week 5? How's it feel? Yeah, feels good. Yeah. Did you have company today?
Yeah.
Who was with us?
Arthur.
Arthur, yes, hello. Welcome, congratulations on your running. And what do you think? Are we good, Mom? Did you enjoy it?
We're good.
Right where we need to be.
That's right.
Kind of neat. Ellie from England. Ellie from England, rolling with the wind. What's up? Ellie, what's the word? First time runner. Are you having fun? You are. Who's this young lady?
This is Ellie.
Yeah.
Ellie Holy, she's from England.
What? All the way from England, across the pond to go for a run.
Right.
Super fun Thursday morning. You having fun?
Yes.
Yes.
My first run with her.
Woohoo! Here they come. Yes, here they come. Woo! Woohoo! What are you feeling right now, Jack?
It's amazing, totally amazing. Can't believe it. So lovely.
Yes. Is that just so special? Chance to see her running?
Yeah.
Come all this way and go for a run. Well, welcome to America.
She said people told her she was mad, but
Yeah, people
like
said,
us, she lives every day.
yeah, people said that I was totally mad to
Yes.
bring her over.
Yes,
So yeah,
but not so much.
no. And this is
What's that?
Tanya's dream to do that. Even
Yeah.
though we never thought we'd do it.
Yeah, but here we are.
Yeah.
So how does that bucket list dream complete feel?
Pretty amazing.
Pretty amazing, huh?
I told Jackie I've always wanted to learn about children from other countries with disabilities.
Right, well,
And I'm a teacher, I teach special ed, so
yeah,
it's really been awesome to talk to her and get to know her and Ellie.
it's beautiful. And y'all are living together for the week.
Right, she's staying with me for the week in
So
America.
you're getting the full inclusion experience.
Correct.
All
Did
right.
you enjoy that, Ellie? Did that go fast?
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Most beautiful. Well, we'll have a conversation about whether you can take a Freedom Pushchair back to England with you. But we would love to give one to you to take back across the pond. So we have to figure out how you can get it home. But congratulations, we're going to grant you a chair. So yay for you.
Hey everybody, it's Beth in South Mississippi. I'm here at Run and Trot Company in Gulfport, Mississippi. Run and Trot Company is a sponsor for us in the South Mississippi area, and they graciously host a fun run every Monday night where we train doing a 5K. We've been running for almost 2 years now with Mr. Logan MacDonald, and now he wants to be able to do his own mile. So we've been practicing. He is up to a half a mile, and eventually we'll do a mile. Then we will go for 13 miles on 13 Mondays. Wish us luck.
Good morning, everyone. This is Angie from East Tennessee, and we are actually in Nashville today for the Predators 5K. We've got teams from East Tennessee here today. We've got Team Cam here. Morning! Morning, Andrew. Morning, Brian.
Good morning.
Good morning, Tim. We've got East Tennessee. We've got Team Jacob. We've got Team Vicki over here. Morning, Vicki.
Yeah.
It's temporary.
Yeah, it was temporary. I got to
Are you ready to roll?
I'm ready to roll.
Woohoo, Nashville Hills, right?
Nashville Hills, but I have wonderful help.
That's right. Where's her help? Her help is hiding. We got some new runners here
Hey, Dave from South Jersey Angels, and I'm here at the Laurel Lake Triathlon with a couple state trooper friends of mine. We're doing a triathlon with first-time riders, first-time runners, and we're working with the state police and Weissman's Children's Hospital. And please tell us why we're here again.
So I'm Mike, this is Dave. We're from the Troopers United Foundation. We work for the state police. So Ainsley's Angels and Troopers United Foundation got together, and we're going to have a great day here at the Laurel Lake Triathlon. This is the first time I'm doing anything like this, and I think the same thing for Dave. So the Tough Race team raises awareness and funds for first responders that were lost in the line of duty.
Right, Dave's wife, Connie, works with Weissman's Children's Hospital, who is one of our big sponsors, so she was able to recruit some of the children that go to the hospital and make them first-time riders today, and they're all very excited. And I'm going to present them with their brand new Ainsley's Angels Wings medal. So we have Tyler, Jack, and Clara. Let's give it up for them. Yeah! First time, your Angel Wings. Got it? There we go.
Yeah. All right.
Jack, congratulations. You got your Angel Wings. And Clara. They did a great job today. We're so proud. We're working with the state police, Weissman's Children's Hospital, and we're going to build upon this and do it even bigger next year. Awesome.
Yeah. All right. Woo! Good job, guys.
A young angel born with wings.
Ellie, say bye.
Bye.
Yeah, had fun in America.
Bye-bye.
Hey, but it's back to England. Woo!